Good. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the BRT bus terminal at Yaba. Also, this BRT bus terminal is not only used for the terminal alone. It has a little more, or rather complex, whereby you could sit down, eat and have enough time to rest. By the left hand side is a park that takes passengers all the way from Lagos down to Ibadan, Ogun State, Sango and the rest of the neighboring states. This is one of the best video and I appreciate it if you could watch this video to the ending and also subscribe. So I went to the restroom to make use of it and I was told I was gonna pay. So to use the restroom at this terminal, it costs 100 naira and you have to pay before. So if you are pressed and you don't have money, then you just have to hold it to get to your location. And as you can see, that's the lady sitting over there. That lady, she's the one collecting the money, and she said it's 100 naira whether you want to pull or you want to urinate. So the terminal has this small mall where, and there's an eatery inside. So let me check. So there's an eatery here. So let's check out the eatery and see what we can get. I got rice. Should I sit down? Will you bring it? So this is what I brought. The portion of food is 500. So this 500, 500, and this 400, and the mini rice 500. Let's check it out. Good. There's no way you eat Nigerian jollof rice without plantain. So I had to like order for plantain because I knew something was missing in the food. And now it's complete. So we're done with the restaurant. And the total amount we spent was 19 plus 700, that's 2,600. So that's the total amount I spent at the restaurant. And I'll tell you for free that I'm filled up. I just need to get somewhere to lie down and sleep. So this is the waiting area. As you can see, I wanted to like check my, they're credit over there. I wanted to like check the balance of my card. The system is not working now. So what's working now is loading, want to money, carry card. It's working now, but if you want to check your balance, it's not working. And this is my carry card. I don't know how much is inside. This same card is used for the boat, for the rail, the train, and the BRT as well. So you just one all in one. When I got my card, it was selling for 500, and I did subscription of 500 on it, and that was like about a year ago. And I used it on the blue line, not a year, maybe 5 months, because that was like September of last year, and this January. So I use it to check out the blue line, and it's currently working. I haven't misplaced it yet, and I hope I don't. Try using it.
Well, you don't want to see that.